Hey guys, it's Trace. Welcome back to my channel. So today I finally have a room makeover video for you. It's only taken me, you know, like way too long to actually get this up because it was a long journey, and I'm sure if you've like redone your house or your room, then you know you have to like order furniture and kind of like figure out the design of it and what you want and blah blah blah, and it's like takes like half your life to just redo your freaking room. But I'm finally done with it. I'm finally at a place where I'm like, yeah, like I feel really good. Like I like my environment. This is like my sanctuary, my woman cave, if you will. If you would have seen, well, you will see how my room looked. I'm gonna show you how the process of like what it was before, but oh my god, it was just very like excuse me, it was very juvenile, and now I feel like it's still juvenile because it's like literally pink and pastel, but it's like sophisticated juvenile. So you know, I'm not 12, I'm 14 basically is like the vibe I'm giving off. I really like it. It's like very me. It just fits me and what I like as my personal style. And yeah, so without further ado, I guess I'll roll the clips of me beginning the process of decorating it and then the final tour and reveal. Anyways, let's just freaking watch the video. I know that's why you're here. I know you're not here for me, you're here for my room. So let's just get into it. This is the current status of my room. It's a mess because I had everything on my freaking lima bean desk and it was back there against that wall, and I had to take everything off my desk, and then I just got back from a trip, so actually there really is no excuse for my room being this messy, but just thought I would give you guys the before so you can appreciate how awesome the after will be, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I had like that big cabinet right there that you probably saw, and then two right here, so I took those down. I assembled one of the legs for my desk, which is just like a set of drawers. I just have stuff everywhere, and then look at all this stuff. This is the stuff that was on my desk, in the drawers, in the cabinets, like, and I just needed to move it so I could obviously like have room to assemble this stuff and everything. And the laundry basket in the back is just laundry I haven't folded yet, just putting that out there. And then I'm gonna have like a vanity, it's not really a vanity, it's just like a desk that I'm gonna make my makeup area. In front of that, I'm gonna take that table out, I'm gonna take my closet doors out, and I'm gonna put like a sliding accordion door in it instead so that it's not jutting out into my desk that I'm gonna have right there. And yeah, it's just, I'm a little overwhelmed just because my room is like a freaking mess, and it's just, oh look, my trash can, literally how I feel. Hey everyone, so this is like a quick room update. I took, or we, my family and me took, family and I? Okay, whatever. We took everything off the walls and we are ready to paint. So I'm gonna paint everything white. Today we're just doing the ceiling. It's like a creamish color right now, so we're gonna paint it white, and then tomorrow we're gonna paint the walls white, but I'm gonna get like little glitter sparkle, like micro glitter, so that when the light hits it you can kind of tell there's like sparkles in it. It's what I have right now on my wall, but I don't know if you could like really tell. Maybe try to like, let me shine the light on it. Okay, you can kind of tell there's like little glitters in it, so that's what I want to do again with except with like white paint. I moved my bed here temporarily just because, so it's out of the way for when we paint the ceilings. And yeah, I'm just super excited. Oh my gosh, look at, so this is all the contents of my room in our guest bedroom. It's like, you know, the worst mess you've ever seen in your entire life. But this was everything that was like on the walls, like in drawers and cabinets. I can't wait for you guys to see the journey and the final results. I'll take you along with me because I love watching like this home decor kind of stuff, and I have not redone my room since I was like 12. Hey guys, so minor room update. Well, a little more than minor. But basically the walls are painted now. I have my decals up, I have my elephant and some like decor. I guess it's slowly coming together. And this is what is supposed to be my vanity. It's like a freaking shit show right now because, you know, I don't know, I don't really have an excuse. I'm just trying to get everything together. But I'm gonna hang up this mirror and then we're gonna put shelves over there, so I'll show you that after. Hey guys, it's Trace. I just began editing my like room decor video and it kind of left off like in the middle. Like I still need to finish the freaking video, but I'm not completely done with my room yet. So I am gonna like just give you an update basically. I'm just gonna give you an update of what I've done since the past clip, and then hopefully like within the next couple days I'll finish everything up. I just want to hang up like a couple more things and that's literally it. But yeah, let me go through and show you what is new since the last clip. Also, I don't have any makeup on. Y'all know the deal. Like, it's okay. It's a lifestyle. You know, I choose to look like a gremlin. So, okay, let me just go through the room. All right, so this is my door area. I want to hang up like some prints right here. And then originally I thought I was going to have like sliding accordion doors in this area, but actually my like whatever this is, my normal closet doors kind of matched my color scheme. I guess my parents painted them like a pinky creamish color. So then when I redid my room to be like pink, they matched really well. So I was like, okay, well, let me just keep them. Whatever, I just keep the doors closed when I'm using the vanity, so it's not like a big deal. I finished putting up the shelves. Sorry it's so dark. It's literally like nighttime here and I don't have good lighting on the shelves. It really is better in daytime, but I'll give like the final room tour in the daytime. But anyways, I'm gonna make a blog post on how to style your shelves and kind of like different pieces to incorporate, like books, objects of interest, like random fun objects, art versus flowers, that kind of stuff. And yeah, so that's kind of everything for now. It's pretty much like this is what it's gonna look like in the end. I just want to hang up some prints over there as I said earlier. Alright hoes, here we are in my final room. I don't know why I'm being this expert today. Anyways, let's get started. Yay! Yay! Okay, no one's that excited. Let's start with my door. That's my door. It has a mirror on it. I spray painted this like a chrome rose gold along with this one. I'll get to this one later. That's just like a cute little hat box luggage I got from Calpac. I think in the last clip I said I was going to like put art prints there, and maybe I will, but for now I kind of just like everything being open and plain. Well, not super plain, but I just like the cleanliness, the clean look of it. And this is my closet. And the last thing you probably saw a bunch of dresses. I put them in my closet and then I'm wearing that dress to like a formal event. So this is my vanity area. I just have an acrylic organizer I got from like HomeGoods. This is literally like my go-to makeup. So I got this little ring holder from HomeGoods. This is the Fenty like puff like glitter bomb or something. Just like a basic mirror, some Cetaphil, a jewelry holder. So I got this chair from HomeGoods. This isn't even like a blanket, it's like a scarf from Abercrombie. Super random. And then this whole desk thing is from IKEA. It's called like a laptop desk. I'll link it below. Also, can we just moment of appreciation for this book that I found at HomeGoods? It's like a bunch of Vogue covers, and I mainly bought it because of Rihanna, so can't even pretend to lie. I got this little set of drawers from IKEA as well. They're just like, I think they're supposed to be like file drawers, but I just keep, I don't know, random stuff in it. So yeah, that's it for my vanity area. I put it right in front of my window so I could get the best light. And the blinds are from either Lowe's or Home Depot. They're pretty nice. They're like fake wood, if you're like interested in blinds. This is my bed area. I kept my same bed from my last room. It's just like a day bed. I honestly have no idea where my parents bought this from. So we got this elephant paper mache from HomeGoods for a pretty good deal. I found it online, but it's like double the price. I'll link it anyways. I got these wall peony decals from Wayfair. And I got this pink macrame hanging design, whatever, from eBay for like $30. I'll link that. As for my bedspread, I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was just like a nice pink quilted comforter. It looked pretty bougie. So, and I got all these pillows from HomeGoods, especially this one. It's like glitter and fuzzy. So what more could you really ask for? Moving on, I got this little side table from tjmax.com. It's so cute. It's like a faux marble little pentagon, hexagon. I didn't major in math. Don't come for me. Shape table. And on top of it, I have this piggy outlet. This light was the same from my old room, so not sure where we got it from. Gets the job done. It's a lamp. Moving on to my desk area, I did the DIY build your own desk from IKEA thing. So it's like 2 sets of drawers and then you just buy the tabletop. I think I got like this 60-inch tabletop and then whatever these, they're called like the Alex drawers or something. But yeah, the desk is really big and nice. And on the desk, I just have this weird lamp that my mom got for me. Don't know why, but it's like a touch lamp, so it'll increase and decrease. Basically, we're living in 30/20. And I just have some candles, a tea, because my name is Trace, if you didn't know from the title and like everything else. I have, these were the prints that I was going to put on this wall, but I've kind of like decided to maybe leave them there. And plus they look really cool, and this one's holographic. I just got this one in. It's beautiful. I'm crying. But this is so nice. I'll link the artist below. I'll link, well, this one I did, so I can't really link that below, but I'll link like the other prints below if you're interested in supporting really cool artists. Also, I got this chair from IKEA as well. It's really cool. It's like a leather, it's like my little egg chair. I don't even know if it looks like an egg, but yeah. So moving my, junk food addiction out of the way here. Okay, get the cookies out too. I got this pen holder from HomeGoods. It's like a Peacock pen holder, so I put all my colored pens in here. It looks so cute. I love it. And then I just got like my parents got me this orange mug. I don't even like orange, but it holds my pencils well, so I don't even care. I got this jewelry box from HomeGoods. I got this amethyst from Ross, and it was literally $9. It was like the most random find ever at Ross. So shout out to Ross. You never know what you're gonna get, but it's awesome. This ram lamp is from Target forever ago. If I can find it, I'll link it. I don't know where this jewelry holder is from. I've had it for forever. I DIY'd some little mason jars to fill my change. Okay, so for my shelves, let me just grab my freaking lamp so you can see this better. This is so bootleg. Okay, for my shelves, I got this little planter from HomeGoods. I got these 2 things. They're called Tokidoki unicorns. They were from mystery boxes. Everyone has seen the Polaroid camera. I got these 2 prints from artists I follow on Instagram and Twitter. My mom bought me this cute little like cupcake, paperweight from HomeGoods. I also got this, like this dachshund bookends. These dachshund bookends of like a wiener dog. And I just put some random books here, some manga, a motivational boss book, and then this one is like Kate Spade. I got it from HomeGoods as well. All in good taste. It's like a cooking book, but it looks so cute on my shelf. Okay, for the next level shelf, I got this geometric Ryan's my boyfriend. This geometric rhino, oh my god, from HomeGoods in like the little girls section, and then I just put some magazines and random books under it. I have like my perfume, and I have one of those weird things that boils when you hold it. It's like from a local museum of science. Okay, I have this Pyro Pet candle. If you light it and burn it, there's like a metal skeleton inside, but I don't want to ruin it. Then I just have a perfume. I have this other art print from a really cool artist, and then another Kate Spade book back there. And then for the top shelf, let me like shamelessly stand on my thing. Oh my god, pray for me. Jesus. Okay, for my top shelf, I have like a rose gold bunny from HomeGoods. I have these art prints that once again I bought from artists on Twitter and Instagram that I follow. I have another, it's like a crystal flower paperweight, but I just put it on its side. And then I have a candle from HomeGoods, this little girl, this like collectible Japanese doll. And then I have another Tokidoki unicorn and another thing of flowers from HomeGoods as well. Do you see what I do for you? I'm literally spinning. Let me just put my food back. Okay, last but not least, I have this mirror from HomeGoods. It was silver, but I spray painted it once again that same chrome color as I did this little side mirror. And I think it turned out really well. It's like a, I don't know, it's like the perfect like pink color for the room, because I didn't want baby pink, but I didn't want hot pink, but I didn't want purple. I don't know, whatever. It just came out really good. More of the story. And then this little stand, I just keep my hairbrushes on that. I don't know where this is from. My parents have had it for forever, but that's pretty much it. Like, my room is pretty small, so sorry I don't have like secret passageways to show y'all. It's literally, I think it's like 10 by 12 feet. So let me just do one more once over, because I know y'all can't get enough. I say as people are like exiting the video as we speak. Well, everybody, that's it. That was like kind of aggressive, but I'm gonna have way more videos coming soon, fashion related. I bought like, you know, a bunch of dresses, a bunch of things that I don't need, but I do need, but I didn't need, but I need it. Yeah, so just like subscribe if you want to see that. Everyone's like, no, click out. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe, even though I already said that, but here we are, me saying it again. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. For real, that's it. Bye!